Hey all, how have you been? So, as mentioned in my previous vlog, we are currently heading towards Ooty after having a nice time at Masinagudi. As we approach Ooty, we are greeted by the cool breeze and panoramic views of rolling hills. The anticipation is high as we begin our journey to uncover the beauty and charm of Ooty. Our stay for the next 2 days were booked at Coastal Grand Resort, and we opted to book this resort since it was located close to the attractions at Ooty. It's situated next to the famous Karnataka horticulture garden. To be honest, outside view of the resort was good, but we were disappointed seeing the room condition. When we discussed it with the manager, he said since the building is old, some renovation work is going on. He also promised to provide us a better room within couple of hours. Since it was already late, we decided to order lunch from the resort itself and got it delivered inside room. So after a short break, we are heading out to explore the town. First stop is at the famous Ooty Lake for a delightful boat ride. The calm waters, surrounded by lush greenery, offer a serene experience. The kids are excited as we paddle through the lake, soaking in the breathtaking views. headed back to the resort by late evening, and as promised, we were shifted to another room. We had paid rupees 3,500 per night for the stay with breakfast, but somehow we were not happy with the room condition still. Next day morning, we woke up to this lovely view. After having breakfast, we headed out to explore the famous rose garden. The rose garden isn't just about the beautiful flowers, it's also a treat for the eyes with its well-designed pathways, arches and structures. We are surrounded by a variety of colors and the captivating aroma of thousands of roses. The kids are fascinated by the variety of roses, and we take a moment to relax at this fragrant paradise. To kick off our Ooty adventure, we are hopping aboard the famous Nilgiri mountain railway. With its nostalgic charm and stunning vistas, this toy train journey takes us through a scenic ride to Coonoor. It's an absolute delight for the whole family. The views of tea plantations, dense forest and charming villages are simply breathtaking. The kids can't contain their excitement as we chug along the tracks. Since we had some time left for our return train, we plan to visit Sims Park, which is around 3 kilometers from Coonoor railway station. As we walk through the paths of Sims Park, we are surrounded by an incredible variety of plants and trees. Towering trees provide shade, while colorful flower beds and lawns add to the beauty. Sims Park provides the perfect backdrop for a relaxing family picnic. We reached Ooty around 6 pm, and even though we were tired, we thought of spending some time at Karnataka garden. As we walk along the garden's winding pathways, we are treated to breathtaking views at every turn. The Karnataka Siri Horticulture Garden is divided into different themed sections, each showcasing a unique aspect of nature's beauty. The lush green lawns and shaded areas provide the perfect setting for us to unwind and connect with nature. No trip to Ooty is complete without a visit to its renowned tea estates. The beauty of the tea plantation is unparalleled, and we can't resist capturing the stunning vistas. We embark on a leisurely walk through the tea bushes, soaking in the panoramic views of the rolling hills and the neatly lined rows of tea plants. It's a moment of tranquility and connection with nature. It's shopping time for some local specialities so that we can take home souvenirs that serve as a reminder of our unforgettable time in Ooty. Our family trip to Ooty has been an absolute delight. From the serene landscapes to thrilling adventures, Ooty has something for everyone. We have created memories that last a lifetime. We hope you enjoy joining us on this journey, and it also has inspired you to plan your own Ooty adventure with your loved ones. Until next time, happy travels.